Hey guys, welcome back to another video. On a recent trip to London, we took a full day tour trip to the Cotswolds in the English countryside with stops at Burford, Burton-on-the-water, and Stow-on-the-wold. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, we post travel content from all of our adventures. And if you guys love traveling as much as we do, please give this video a like, subscribe, and hit that bell for upload notifications. We booked this tour through Get Your Guide. The tickets were $133 a person, and it included lunch, which was amazing. I'll drop a link to the tour in the description below. The meeting point for this tour was at the Victoria coach station, where we boarded a coach bus and headed out to the Cotswolds. Alright, let's get into it. If you're booking a trip to London, we highly recommend this tour. It felt like we were really transported into a fairy tale village, and the guides were absolutely amazing. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Leave us a comment down below and let us know what your favorite part of the Cotswolds was. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.